Oh, they updated the recording sign. Let's go, Hickey up. Okay, what's up, guys? Today we're doing another video. And what do you think it is? It's Outcome Memories. It's my friend, and I hope it's hard because we're gonna see some intense gameplay. Also, keep in mind, if you see the chat right here, yes, this dude is hating on me. This is the only round he killed me, bro. But let's go up. This is like when I was helping the other kids. But right here was when he started crashing out completely. Like, bro wouldn't stop going ham and start camping. He used to be a normal player when, like, I guess, like, maybe the first time you saw him. But now he went to just being normal to straight up camping on every dead body you could think of. Keep in mind, I made him mad by just rage baiting him with his counters and letting the team revive. And so when he got on me, he laughed so. Nope. That's my friend who's killed. I'm getting PTSD from the other dude.
Just from that?
I'm
out of here.
I'm out of here. Mate. I'm trying to stop, but I guess you can't do the 2 emotes. What? Wait, what? It's so horrible for us in that part. This counter. Iframes of doom! Bro, abuse those! Which is kind of hilarious how Creep has iframes! Oh, I thought he was getting set up. I should actually start doing something because I'm recording a video. The heck? Nuh-uh. 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 Frick no. Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. No, do your thing. Drag his soul out of his body. Holy! You even though you can't though. You're not unless they just completely get it. A metal pump was throwing you down. Oh. Wait. Oh, dang!
I'm out of here.
Where is Silver?
Bruh.
So, what is this reverse psychology? Every time I have a silver in PLL, I just start tweaking out with PLL, bro. Like, I be stopping, going really fast, turning sideways. I just turned around thinking that he was. I got a lot of games, bro. I thought he was around 2011X. Let's. No, I feel the pain, though, so it's okay. I feel the pain.
No!
Maybe Knuckles next round. What is this? Where are you going now?
I'm out of here.
Silver! Frick, what was that? What was that? What am I witnessing at this point? Watch this tunnel.
I get my counter mixed up with my indicator.
Who hasn't, bro? Either way, they both suck because, like, when you click indicator.
I'll call you back when I get back home.
You'll call me back?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Well, that was a good friend. I think that was him getting clapped. At least it's not gonna be a 20-minute wait though. I just got $10,000. Don't ask like $5,000 50-minute video. Goodness gracious, that was long. So hopefully this is gonna be like 20 minutes, so like I don't have to like endure that pain. And if it is 20 minutes, I just hope that we don't leave off on a click. Watch it. This is the Colossal. Wait, I shouldn't go and tell him. I don't want to watch it to get mad. That's something I don't want. Oh, hi, Twilight. None of the nuts noise. I just gotta get the shit out. Whew. I forget what the heck I'm doing. Oh, there it is. I've had it there. Gothic Suns. I'll take it. What the heck am I seeing there? I just saw two different pairs of shoes on. Was that just me? Knuckles? There we go. Oh, I forgot to left tails. I'm so dumb. I'm getting some very bad flashbacks again. When will I stop, bro? Thing is, I'm scared from when I wasn't Sonic. So like, I know something bad's gonna happen because I got diddled as Amy before the round. That was just like the one round before. Oh my goodness. Okay, Flop's still here. If you're wondering why I tried like clicking some random stuff, because there's a record button over here, y'all will not. I don't think y'all will see it. So like it blocks me from clicking anything behind it either. Unless I go to a phone. When you have to remember the one thing and not perfect. Goodness gracious. Okay. What just witnessed? Thank you, big boy. Thank you. No, please, no! Did he fall or something? Hey, that got his weakness. That's a weak, I guess. The heck are you doing? Oh, as soon as I realized too. You can only pray for so much patience in this game. For numbers. Dang! Oh, he stopped it. Dang, it's cool down. Holy, I gotta stop running into walls. Is this cooldown like even very long, even with without the charge up on punches? I don't know that for sure. Like, wait, see this guy? Like, why is it normal shoe and then metal? Like, y'all see that? Flip are you, bro? Oh, I think we just fell off. Nope, there was no chance we just fell off. Bro died in a convenient spot. Silver! Wait, we just fell off. What's what is Bro was holding his blinky in death. Oh my goodness. Bro was really that scared. You're not a player, bro. You're not a player. Come on, charge it. Oh my goodness. Bro was sent launching. Prepare for takeoff. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. What is it? The counters I've been praying for. Oh, you're not gonna die. Oh, this is not gonna be too good. Bro just levitated back. Nope. I just realized what I just did. Wait, did he not see bro? Levitate? Holy silence. Is that what y'all do at like Knuckles games? Y'all just do that? Also, did they like make you glide a little bit longer? I have a lot of questions for someone I barely use, which makes sense. Where is bro? I've been goofing off the entire game, not even trying. I'm trying to learn how to like have fun with this game, like with this character. Is he over here? Is he chasing Silver? Oh, no, maybe. You would expect him to at least punch back. Imagine I muted this entire thing because this thing updated and I don't know if I can. Okay, so I was muted for 1 second. Okay, I'm not muted, guys. Thank you. You seen that Sonic video where bro like spin dashes and somehow hits one of those bumps and then just like majestically falls in the dirt? It's a very good video. And I would never put up a video of it on screen because I don't know how to edit. If I would love to have an editor. Please, I need this. Right now, like editor for thumbnails. That's it, really. But I kind of like figured out how to do it. It's like he's fired. I'm joking. He helps a little bit. He encouraged me to keep going. He's teaching me new things every day. Like that screen. It didn't. Wait, what? It didn't go through as like a. I should have counted earlier. I should have counted earlier, bro. No, you are wrong for that. You are a dirty person. That was not you, stupid. How am I not dead? How am I not dead? Wait, does it not affect me? I think I did the same thing with Shadow. Secret pathway. Where's my dude at? No! Dang! I missed that part. No! Nothing! Super no! That ball's up, and then just block it and jump on it. Jump on it. Oh, zoom. Oh. Hold up, he's Fleetway. Never mind, stop flying. Wait, not perfect is flying? How did I just realize that? What was I doing for that time? Did he die? Explains why he wasn't glazing challenge the entire round. Explains why. Watch this be an S. An S, yeah. That was so an S, guys. I don't know what y'all are talking about. Get your eyes checked. That was always an S. Not a B minus, not a C. What? Who did that? Oh, flop. Either left at the last second? Yeah, he left at the last second. Yeah, okay. Oh, look at new challengers have appeared. It's your boy Jack. Oh frick, I remember what I should do. Put his name up there. Oh my gosh, I don't like it. Jolly Spark was still like, this is such a cool name, bro. Who else thought that was either Magic School Bus or the Not Perfect? Because I thought at first it was Magic School Bus. Remember that Galactic episode from the intro? You know, maybe I don't know if they went to space or not. Drop your butts right to the sea. I'm gonna shut up. That was not corny, but it wasn't necessary. What are we gonna do now, guys? Let's do some Shadow. Oh, I patiently waited for that. Okay, dogs took Sonic, okay. Twilight is dogs, right? Like, I have to get my brain checked, right? Let me not mute myself. This video may be above, like, 20 minutes. I think 22, if I'm doing the math right, with how much we have here. No, it's gonna be, like, maybe 7, I don't know, somewhere around minutes, you know? I should have thought that one through. Wait, dogs buff Neil's skin? Why does he never use it then? There's no way I'm taking it fast. No, not today, buddy. And he's gonna kill me. Yep, I know what's happening right now. No, dogs is right. Who are you going for? Nope, out of ammo. Peek. on, work, you stupid gun. Out of the, no, get me out of it. I would actually just ask for his help, but at that point, nah, I'm good. The heck, you mean I haven't landed a single shot? Yeah, this is getting awesome. Get out of my face! 119. Is he dead? Is he like in the ground or something? Oh, there you are. You gonna orb on me? What the heck are you doing? You sucked the life from us. Here it comes! And get hit. Boom.
I like that look on your face. I like that look on your face.
Jesus!
Chaos control! You what? You'll still lose.
Robot back. Game! Watch me, Tori. Nope, not today, boy. Frick! 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 I don't like where it comes. 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 How do you juke out this?
Chaos control! You disappoint.
That was your fault. That was kind of your fault. And kind of, that was all your fault. I'm not slow enough to run over there. Like I'm very slow enough. to try to
Here it comes!
I don't want to
Going
hear
down.
that music. You just get out of the water.
Not so fast!
The heck do you want from me? This is real fun, isn't it? I promise you, as soon as I'm out of here, I'm blitzing your butt. Get blitzed!
Control! One pathetic creature.
That's you all pathetic creature. You're right there, like, you just predicted my entire move? The fuck you mean you hit me mid-air? Oh, nah, you are so weird for this, bro. You are so weird for this. Nope, not today, buddy. The fuck you mean?
The ultimate life form!
I'm gonna be so dead for right now. I was spamming the E button looking at him and nothing happened. This is why don't you shadow? I'm gonna be so bad. You lagging right now?
I'll break you for that!
You genuinely will at this point. I can't even lie to you. The heck did I just see?
Look at me! Look at how much stronger I am!
Every time I go onto this channel, I see something, a weird bug. Like, I just saw two eyes looking down at Sonic's death. Excuse me, or do you have to be a spectator to see? Oh, I love being a spectator. Okay, I might just end the video right here. Please. See you guys.